Okay, here we go. I've got a real simple one. This is a one for beginner traders that I like. I still use it. This is finding your T2. That's your second target. That means your ultimate target on a trade. This is a Gino gem, and I still use it from day one. And, it's very simple. It's kind of fun. You got to set your software up for it, but let me show you how it works. T2, what is T2? T2 is your target two, or what you want to call your secondary target on a chart. So real quick, let me show you what you're facing. We have what's called trend indicators, moving averages. The baseline is usually a 20-day moving average, whether it be simple or exponential. It's where we see a stock about ready to break. Like here's, I'm just picking some random ones that are hitting their 20-day moving average right now, and possibly doing a swing low or a move. Here's that's on the 20-day moving average. I want to trigger right above today's candle. It's going to go up. What's my target? What's my one ATR target? And here's an ATR 5.5. So one ATR is usually target one, right? The second ATR is usually target two. You can come over here, take that number and add it to your current price or where you're triggering it at. That's a lot of math. It's a lot of thinking. I just need an indicator to show me what's a better way to do this quickly. To give you a couple stocks that are lining up like this. We got MasterCard. MasterCard is what we call a swing low, pulling back to the 20-day moving average. I'm going to draw a channel line up here. Let's say I want to trigger right above here. Where's my T2 target? Where's my ultimate target? Because I want 2 times the reward to every risk. I want to make sure that what's the top target for this? What's my secondary target? Basically 2 ATRs. You can see here, this says 7.8, almost $8 ATR. I'm pointing in the left-hand corner here. Let's look at Cisco. Cisco is another one right now, bouncing on its 20-day. What's its 2-day target? Let me get a couple more in here. FedEx. What's its 2-day target? So as I'm going through these, watch how I do it real quickly. We have a very popular indicator called Bollinger. Now, when I click the Bollinger Band, it's going to show me roughly what a 2 ATR target is. So if I trigger in right here at this purple, that's where my trigger point is. What's roughly 2 ATRs from where it's trading now? I click Bollinger Band. It's right there at the top of the band. Now, by the way, if I'm bearish, it's down here. So that is what the default settings for most Bollingers is. If you look in here, Bollinger Band, it's a 2 ATR. So knowing that, it's got a little bit of volatility built in there too. So I can see roughly where that 2 ATR target is. So let me go back to my trend indicator, show you again. Here's MasterCard. Bouncing off its 20. What's my 2 ATR? Well, I can either do the math, or I can just click the button and go. It's right there. It's right there. Then I can look back and say that's where this last candle high is. So there's my target. Let me give you a couple more. Let's do Cisco. Cisco. There's my trigger. Where's my 2 ATR? Click the Bollinger. It's right there. There it is. There's my 2 ATR. That's my ultimate target. Plus, when it hits the top of the Bollinger, based on volatility and the mathematics that Mr. Bollinger put into this, that is considered overextended when it gets there. So you can see when it hit last time on the Bollinger, what happened? It pulled back. So that's telling you take profit at your 2 ATR target. Most of the time, that's your ultimate target anyway. Any other ones I missed? Let's go look at FedEx. FedEx, there's my 2 ATR target, and American Tower. Excuse me, let me type that in a little better. AMT. There's my 2 ATR target there. Some people will just leave the Bollinger Band on there because the middle of the Bollinger Band is your 20-day simple, which you can change to exponential if you want. If it doesn't bother you to always have the Bollinger Band on there, you always have your 2 ATR target up there. Again, it's adjusted, not exactly 2 ATRs. It's got a little bit of volatility built in there. And there you have it, a quick way to find your T2 target using an easy indicator called the Bollinger, bouncing between your moving averages and your Bollinger. Add that Gino gem to your pile. Hope it helps your trading day. Hope it opens up your mind to using indicators wisely.